Storyline on flood. I am Pratyush. I work at the National Disaster Rescue Force team at New Delhi. One rainy morning, I was drinking a cup of coffee in my apartment balcony, reading e-news. I got a call from my head office. My team leader asked me to report immediately for a new rescue operation. I rushed to the office. There, they gave me a new rescue operation to rescue 104 people who were stranded at the Bijau village, where flood had recently occurred. As I went to my department, there I saw my teammates. There were 2 IAF members and 2 NDRF members, including me. We reached the village within 1.5 hours and started the rescue operation immediately. As we were in the rescue operation, a call came from my team leader. My team leader said to complete this mission within 12 hours because the Narora power plant has a leakage which may worsen if the flood level continue to increase, and sometime it may also burst. My leader also said due to this situation, 2 more helicopters with rescue teams were sent. After hearing this, our team started to work fast. As we were about to go for the first trip, the other 2 rescue helicopters arrived and we started to go back to our base. At the first trip, about 32 people were rescued. After 4 hours, a helicopter came back to the rescue and rescued 36 people. After another 3.5 hours, a helicopter came back again and rescued 30 people. But after the third trip, the situation started to get worse. 2 helicopters got technical issue due to rain, and there was only about 2.5 hours remaining for the power plant to burst. What's even worse is that the operation head of this rescue mission said to stop the rescue operation. All the other rescuers also lost hope for the last 6 men stranded at the village. But still, me and my teammates had hope that we could still rescue and save them. So I myself asked to my team leader if I could take one of my helicopters and go and rescue the 6 men. My team leader thought for a while and said, "You can go there and save them, but it is at your own risk." After hearing it, I immediately said to my teammates to take the helicopter. They too immediately took the helicopter. Luckily, the time when we took the helicopter, the weather was calm and there were no rain, so we were able to reach there by just 45 minutes. When we reached the Bijau village, the flood levels were down by 1 feet. When we rescued all 6 people, they told me that they had no hope that we will come and rescue them back. I just smiled, and when we reached the evacuation camp, a breaking news alarmed. The Narora power plant bursted with great force. I was also happy that I was able to save all the 104 people stranded there. It was one of the most greatest achievements I have ever done in my life. The rescue operation was frightening also because the water levels reached about 6 to 7 feet. Though those floods may have been caused due to nature's force, we humans also share a major contribution in making this disaster, so we must plant trees and save Earth.